Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this dramatic cut crease eye makeup and a creative look from my side. So let's get started. Taking this pink shade from Morphe 3503 palette and starting off by applying shade to my crease area. As you can see, here I am drawing a little flick at the end of my crease, applying shade and blending it as well for a more blended look. Same onto the other eye. Taking this light orangey shade, blending my crease's harsh edges. With this shade, darkening my crease area for a more defined look. Cutting my crease with the concealer and blended it with the brush. Applying this shimmery green shade on that area where I applied concealer before. So this is the complete look. I hope you will all like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.